everyone, back again with me, Aulia Jemberamesti, a student at Kusuma Husada University, Surakarta. My name is GZ23010 Nutrition Study Program. In this video, a segment, I will tell the story of the Battle of Ambarawa 1945. Watch the video until it's finished. In December 1945, Indonesia had just proclaimed its independence on August 17 th. The spirit of freedom filled the hearts of Indonesian people. However, the Allied forces and the Dutch came to Indonesia. They wanted to take control again and deny Indonesian independence. In Ambarawa, a small city in central Java, the tension grew stronger every day. The Allied forces, led by British troops, occupied the city and threatened the new independent nation. The local people felt worried and scared. Indonesian soldiers prepared themselves to defend their homeland. They knew that a big battle was coming soon. On December 12, 1945, the Allied forces suddenly attacked Indonesian positions around in Ambarawa. They had better weapons, tanks, and more soldiers than the Indonesian troops. The situation became very dangerous for Indonesian fighters. Many young soldiers, some were still teenagers, invaded their country bravely with limited weapons. They fought with rifles, bamboo spears, and even swords. However, they needed a stronger leader to organize them and create a winning strategy. Colonel Sudirman, who was only 29 years old at the time, heard a news about the attack. He arrived in Ambarawa to take command of the troops. He was seriously sick with tuberculosis and had a high fever. His friends and doctor told him to rest in bed, but he refused to stay away from his soldiers. He came to battlefield with great determination. Despite his illness and weak body, he planned a brilliant military strategy. He studied the maps carefully and thought about the best way to defeat the enemy. His presence gave new spirit and courage to all Indonesian fighters. On December 1945, at dawn, Colonel Sudirman launched a massive counter-attack against the Allied forces. He commanded the Indonesian forces to surround the enemy from all directions using a pincer movement strategy. The battle was extremely fierce and lasted for several days and nights. Indonesian soldiers fought with incredible courage and determination. They moved from house to house, from street to street. The sound of gunfire never stopped. Explosions shook the ground. Smoke covered the sky above Ambarawa. The strategy worked perfectly as Colonel Sudirman had planned. The island forces were completely surprised by the technical movement of Indonesian troops. They did not expect such an organized and powerful attack. Indonesian troops pushed them back by step, meter by meter, even though many soldiers failed, others continued to fight bravely. The local people also helped to providing food, water, and information about enemy positions. Young and old, men and women, everyone supported the fighters. The battle continued day and night without stopping. On December 21, 1945, after 6 days of intense fighting, the Indonesian forces finally won the battle. The Allied forces could not hold their position anymore. They retired from Ambarawa completely. The Indonesian flag flew high and hovered over the city. Soldiers and civilians celebrated together in the streets. People carried tears of joy and relief. It was a great and glorious victory for the young nation. This victory proved that Indonesian people were ready to defend their independence with their lives. The Battle Ambarawa became one of the most important and legendary battles in Indonesian story. It showed the world that Indonesia was seriously about its independence. Colonel Sudirman proved that courage, intelligence, and smart strategy killed the stronger enemy. This leadership inspired millions of Indonesians. Even though he was sick, he never gave up and always put his country first. Every year, on December 15, Indonesian celebrates armed forces Day to remember this heroic battle. The nation honors all the brave fighters who sacrificed everything to defend Indonesian freedom. Their sacrifice will never be forgotten. The spirit of Ambarawa continues to inspire every generation of Indonesian people. So that was the story. What do you think about the story, the Ambarawa battle? You can write in the comment. Bye bye.